Introducing Craft-A-Flower Bearded Iris Layering Die Set. You can see the inks used to create the images shown here. And you can see for layer 4, there are some special directions that we will fold over part of the flower. Here's a look at the 15 dies included in the set. A look at the front on all of the pieces, as well as a project you could create. We'll start with triangle 1, layer on piece 2. We'll layer on triangle piece 3. Piece 4, we're going to slow down here. This is the piece where we're going to have that mountain fold, and there's a mark right there that shows us where we're going to fold that over. And I'm going to show you a little trick on how to get this aligned perfectly. Just getting some glue on there. I'm going to pick up my arrangement, and it's easier to see from the back. So I can see that I'm aligning that triangle. I am putting the triangle on the front, but I can see through from the back to the front that my triangle is aligned because I can see through there. So I know that that piece is perfectly aligned in place. Then we will go back and we will use the triangle to align piece 5. And we're just going to slide that in there. We'll use the triangle to align piece 6. And next we're going to use that curve there to align this beautiful piece with the orange. And we'll use that number 6 to help us align on that curve the other piece. We'll begin with the arrow 1. And then we have the first piece of the flower we'll layer with the arrow. Layer piece 2 with the arrow. Piece 3 with the arrow. Piece 4, we're going to go ahead and use that arrow. And then we have some accompany pieces that we're going to use the outline of the petals to help us align for both left and right. Next, we'll use the arrow to align piece 5. And to cover our arrow, we have the outline to place the stem. Then we're going to add in our little orange pieces at the top using the curve of those petals there. And that will complete layering for our Craft-A-Flower Bearded Iris. I hope this video was helpful in having some tips to help layer together your beautiful project. Here we have some amazing inspiration from our fabulous designers. To find out more about Craft-A-Flower Bearded Iris and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.